Welcome to this video, the first one in Module 4, where I'll be giving you an overview about curve fitting and interpolation, so that by the end of this video you will be able to differentiate between these two techniques. So why do we want to talk about curve fitting and interpolation in general? Well, experimental data that we encounter in engineering is usually obtained through discrete measurement techniques. So that's a set of discrete data points, and that's opposed to having continuous or analog data. So here's an example from the textbook, Table 6.1, that shows the measured yield strength for metals of different average grain sizes. So you have here data pairs of an average grain size D and the associated measured yield strength. So those form data pairs. And in this case here, we have multiple measurements here that we combine into a data table. So that's how our data is typically measured and presented in these table formats. How can we use such data? Well, there's these two approaches that I want to talk about in this module. The first one is curve fitting. And the task is find a function or a formula that best fits the data. Okay? So the functional form is often provided by some physical modeling argument, right? So for example, there is some functional model between the grain size and the yield stress. How do we then determine the best fit? Well, in these models, right, we have parameters. And we can adjust these parameters in such a way that this model, this function, will fit our data in the best possible way. And we'll have to talk about what that means, a best fit. Now, if we do curve fitting, the function that we're fitting typically does not go through the individual data points. There's always a small difference, but we will try to minimize this difference between our functional values and the measured data. The second approach is how we can use this data in table format is by interpolation. And the task of interpolation is to find values between the known data points that are in the table. And what we'll do is we'll find polynomials or so-called splines in this module that give us the data points exactly. So an interpolation function will give us back the data pairs exactly, whereas in a curve fitting approach that is not guaranteed. Now, once we've determined the polynomial, the function, we will use that polynomial or spline to evaluate values in between data points. Now, strictly speaking, there's a third aspect to this that's called extrapolation. Extrapolation and interpolation only differ in that interpolation tries to find values between known data points, whereas extrapolation tries to find values outside the known data points. All right, so basically those would be the same and use the same functions. Thank you for watching.